Did you know that cats' whiskers are their secret weapon to navigating the world? In this video, we'll reveal the unbelievable uses of cat whiskers and how they benefit our feline friends. We'll dive into the fascinating science behind these amazing sensory organs, exploring everything from navigation to communication. So be sure to watch till the end, because we have an incredible secret about cat whiskers that will give you a whole new perspective on your furry companion. You won't want to miss this. So what exactly are whiskers? Whiskers, also known as vibrissae, are these incredible hair-like structures that you see on your cat's face. But they're not just ordinary hairs. They're actually specialized super-sensitive tools that serve multiple functions for a cat. So why do cats have whiskers? It turns out that whiskers play a crucial role in helping cats navigate the world. They use their whiskers for various purposes, like finding way around tight spaces, sensing changes in their environment, and even communicating with other cats and humans. In short, whiskers are a cat's Swiss Army knife. And guess what? Cats don't just have whiskers on their faces. They also have these amazing sensory hairs on other parts of their bodies, such as their legs and cheeks. With this fascinating knowledge about cat whiskers, it's time to delve deeper into the remarkable ways they use these extraordinary tools. Keep watching as we explore how cats rely on their whiskers to navigate their surroundings, sense their environment, and communicate with us. One of the main functions of whiskers is their awareness of space. These sensory hairs are about as wide as your cat's body, which helps them figure out if they can squeeze through tight spaces or not. So when your cat encounters a narrow gap, their whiskers act as a built-in measuring system, telling them whether they can fit through without getting stuck. How cool is that? Now, let's put this into a real-life context. Imagine your cat is stalking a mouse or trying to escape from a predator. Their whiskers play a crucial role in helping them avoid obstacles, such as branches or furniture, by providing information about their surroundings. If a whisker brushes against an object, it sends a signal to your cat's brain, alerting them to change course or adjust their movement. This incredible ability allows cats to move swiftly and gracefully, even in the dark or unfamiliar environments. Talk about a feline superpower. Now let's talk about another incredible function whiskers have, sensing currents of air. Cats use their whiskers to detect even the slightest changes of airflow around them. This super-sensitive ability helps them locate prey or avoid potential dangers, like a predator lurking close by. When air currents bounce off objects or living beings, they create unique patterns that whiskers can pick up. It's almost like your cat has its own personal radar system. You might be wondering, what happens to a cat without whiskers? Studies have shown that cats who lose their whiskers or have them trimmed can experience significant difficulties with spatial awareness and coordination. This is because they rely so heavily on these sensory hairs to gather information about their surroundings. In fact, cats without whiskers may even become disoriented and struggle with everyday tasks like jumping or climbing. Did you know that whiskers can also be used as a communication tool? Cat owners can actually get a pretty good idea of their cat's mood just by observing the position of their whiskers. When a cat is relaxed, their whiskers will be in default position, slightly fanned out from their face. If they're feeling threatened or scared, their whiskers will be pulled back towards their face. And when they're curious or alert, their whiskers will be pushed forward. And here's a fun fact: cats can actually control the movement of their whiskers, using them to express their emotions. This is thanks to the small muscles located at the base of each whisker, which allow them to move these sensory hairs independently. This means that when your cat is showing off different whisker positions, they're actively communicating with you. Now let's move on to the mysterious world of whisker fatigue and learn how you can help your cat avoid this unusual condition. So what on earth is whisker fatigue? It's actually a condition where a cat's whiskers become overstimulated due to constantly brushing against objects or surfaces. Just like how our senses can get overwhelmed, cats' whiskers can also experience sensory overload, leading to this peculiar phenomenon. So how can you tell if your cat is suffering from whisker fatigue? Cats with this condition may exhibit unusual behaviors, such as ignoring their food or water dishes. They might start leaving food uneaten even though they're hungry, or start drinking less water than usual. This is because their whiskers are constantly brushing against the sides of their bowls, causing discomfort and stress. Luckily, there's a simple solution to help your cat avoid whisker fatigue. All you need to do is provide them with whisker-friendly bowls or dishes. These are typically wide and shallow dishes that allow your cat to eat or drink without their whiskers constantly touching the sides. Now let's uncover the incredible sensory capabilities of these unique structures and the shocking information they can reveal. As we've mentioned earlier, whiskers are incredibly sensitive, which allows cats to detect even the tiniest changes in the environment. This extraordinary sensitivity helps them react swiftly to any potential threats or opportunities, making them the agile and perceptive creatures we know and love. And here's a truly shocking fact: cats can actually see in the dark using their whiskers. While their eyes do have some night vision capabilities, it's their whiskers that play a crucial part in helping them navigate dark or dimly lit spaces. By sensing their surroundings and detecting slight changes in air currents, whiskers enable them to move confidently and avoid obstacles even when they can't fully see them. It's almost like having built-in night vision goggles. And finally, here's that shocking secret we promised. Cats' whiskers can actually detect the Earth's magnetic field, helping them always find their way home. So how exactly is this possible? Scientists believe that cats have specialized cells in their whiskers that can pick up on the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to sense their position and orientation. This means that when your cat ventures out, their whiskers are acting like a built-in GPS, guiding them back home safely. Check out this video on 10 things you should never do to your cat, to make sure you never unintentionally hurt your kitty. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos about the amazing world of cats. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.